Now, I saw something and I had to turn around because I did not believe my eyes. But sure enough, this is a real thing. Someone has some explaining to do. I'm like major explaining. I'm not talking about the wheels. I'm talking about this. What is that? I mean, I've heard people up badging their vehicles, but down badging them. Oh my God. And the wheels on this side don't even match. You got yellow wheels on the passenger side and chrome wheels on the driver's side. Okay. I guess that makes sense. Got an identity crisis over here.